Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this afternoon? Or this evening? It's getting dark there. We had the big garden out here. Me and Sanford and Big Randy Guidry's garden. And there's Mr. Sanford way over there with a push lawnmower that I rebuilt. I overhauled that engine. I went through it. I forget all what I did to it. I know I did a valve job on it, something else. Maybe rings, I don't know. But anyway, cleaned it all out and everything, put it on a good frame, sold it to him for the garden out here, and look at that tall grass he's cutting. He's cutting a pasture with that little 4-horse engine. Oh well, just goes to show. Alright, we got broccoli right here. I'm going to give you a little tour of the garden. Squash. And over there, we got zucchini squash. And they got some zucchinis about 6 inches, 5-6 inches. We got a dozen or so plants here of broccoli. And these are stir-fry broccoli, Sanford calls them. Look, it makes the little florets. No main head. No main head. Just the florets. The name of it is stir-fry broccoli. I've never heard of it until last week when Sanford told me about it. Some Swiss chard. Oh yeah. That's good eating right there now. Sanford loves to make stir fry too. Loves to make stir fry. I forget what that one's called. I don't know, that's the midnight? No, it can't be the midnight. I forget the variety of that one. And that one. It's the yellow stem. And that's the red stem. Alright, we got some vining squash right there. A bunch of stuff growing out here. We got all the fence set up with the rebar. And then we got all this row right here up till that Swiss chard. All of this right here, right there. That's all potatoes. All potatoes. And right here too. All of that from that broccoli. All of that way down to the end. Well, nope. Dug a few of them up a while back. Well, look at tomato plants. Yeah, oh, got a little red one on there. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm going to get the first tomato of the season. Yep, I'm going to do it on camera too. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Looks like a little cherry tomato. They are cherry tomatoes. Guess what? I think I'm getting the first one of the season. Oh, a little 7 dust on it. I'll wash it off after a while. I'll wash it off and then eat it. If it was 7 dust, and I think, because I see some 7 dust on there. We got some beautiful tomatoes on the plants though. Some more squash. Oh, this is yellow squash. You can see all the yellow squash coming off with the flowers. The female plants look like they pollinated. Might need to get out here and hand pollinate them. Boudreaux's gonna be a pimp in a squash plant. Yep. Pimp in a tomato patch. Yep. Pimp in a squash patch. That one on the end is a Rondenise. And they prolific. So, and that's a beautiful eating squash. Love it. Well, we got tomatoes big around as my beer can over there. Cherokee purples. Look, purple hulls. 125-foot rows. 128. Just say 125 to 130, but there's a earthway planter right there. And a rake. And over there, by that big fence, hope this comes out good. It's a little dark in the screen, but you never know. Rattlesnake beans, 75 foot of those growing over there. And we're gonna walk over here and see. Well, let me cross these rows. And we'll look at some of these big tomatoes over here. Where them suckers were at. Cherokee purples. I don't see them. Got some aromas too. Oh, might have passed them up. Here's a couple of big ones right here. That's some nice big tomatoes. Bigger around in my 12-ounce can of beer I'm holding right now. I'm out here doing some irrigation work. We had our main line for the irrigation system. Our main water line coming from the water supply. It's 3/4 PVC pipe. This past winter we had some hard freezes, and we had one of the pipes bust about a 3-foot length. So I came out here and I got all that changed finally, and now Sanford's cutting the grass over here for the main line that's going to run this way right here. Yeah, Sanford, you need to cut like as closest to the drainage ditch as you can, because the main line goes close here, not out there in the where your little thing is. And anyway, so we're fixing to lay the main line out. That's why we're cutting the grass right here. All right, we'll catch y'all blue top.